Alright, it's Mr. Jarrett. This video we're going to discuss plumbing. More specific, we're going to talk about traps. Okay, y'all, it's Mr. Jarrett. Right now I have in my hand a P-trap. This is the most common trap that's used. P-traps can also have a clean out. There's no clean out on here, but usually there's a clean out right here. The water comes down your sink right here, comes in and out this way. Now what happens is you have a water seal from right here to right here that stops any gases, airborne pathogens, germs, or fumes from getting into your property. Okay, right here we have an S-trap. You can see the S-trap. Right here we have a tail piece that usually connects. This goes down into the floor. Just for space wise, I don't have it hooked up. But what happens is right here, the water comes down in here, then right out and down into the floor. What happens is you have a seal right here of water that stays in this drain. But a lot of times, if you get a flush from a toilet in the room and it's a real strong flush, the water sometimes goes down slowly, like a siphonage, and goes down. And what happens is this seal gets broken, and then that's when the gases and everything, gases, fumes, airborne pathogens come into the room. Okay, I have a little demonstration to actually show you how the P-trap actually function. More likely, well, how any trap functions. Okay, so right here is a clear P-trap. Okay. We have our water that comes down here from our sink, down and out. Please don't let me make a mess. So this right here is an airtight seal right here. No gases coming back in will be able to get past here because you have an airtight seal right here and you have an airtight seal right here. There we go. Let me move it around so you can see a little bit. There we go right here. Alright, so let's pack this all up. Let's get finished. Right here we have a P-trap. Water comes in, out this way. Gases will not be able to come back in this way. Airtight seal right here, right here. We have an S-trap. Water comes in, down to the floor. No longer, this is banned in all 50 states. You cannot use this for new construction. S-trap, P-trap. The purpose of the trap is to keep all gases, airborne pathogens, germs, and fumes from out your house. Alright, it's Mr. Jarrett. See you next video.